Hi, I'm Ashley.
I'm Olivia.
We're with Barletta Boats, and today we're going to show you how to pull your pontoon boat out of the water.
When you go to pick up a boat, you'll want to make sure the wheel well is just out of the water. This way the boater can see the bunks on the trailer and easily line up the tunes with the bunks. All right. Now I just need to put the strap back on to secure it.
Now, before Olivia pulls the truck and the boat out of the ramp, I make sure that my bimini top is in the trailering position as it is here, and then I take the prop and I lift the engine all the way out of the water. This is also a good time to make sure that your tunes are in the bunk securely.